Okay, in this lesson we're going to go ahead and learn how to solve a system of equations using the substitution method. Now, in the substitution method, the first thing you want to do is you want to make sure that either the x or the y in one of those two equations is isolated or that it's all by itself. Now before I begin, I'm going to go ahead and label my equations, equation 1 and equation 2. That way, when I refer to either one of those, you'll know which one it is that I'm talking about. So if you look at equation number 1, you'll see that the y is already by itself. And what I need to do now is I'm going to go ahead and substitute what y equals, in this case the 2x plus 1, into the variable of y in the second equation. So I'm going to take what y equals, which is 2x plus 1, and I'm going to substitute it in for this variable. That way, I end up with only one equation with one type of variable, and I can go ahead and solve for that variable. I'm going to go ahead and combine like terms here. I'm going to get 5x plus 1 equals negative 9, and performing some inverse operations, I'll go ahead and subtract the 1 from both sides. That'll leave me with 5x equals negative 10. Take this up here. Now I'm going to go ahead and divide both sides by 5. And my x value ends up being negative 2. Now that's the x value. I still have to go ahead and return and get the y value. Now you can go ahead and substitute the negative 2 into either equation number 1 or equation number 2 for the x value. What I like to do is I like to substitute the x value into the equation that will make it the easiest to go ahead and find the y value. In this case, the easier one of those two equations is equation number 1. So I'll take this negative 2 and I'll substitute it right in here for the x. Now all I do is simplify all the numbers on the right hand side of this equation, and I will end up with my y value of negative 3. So the answer to this problem is the ordered pair negative 2, comma, negative 3.